Recall those classic Wall Street films. Brokers in tailored suits barking orders on chaotic trading floors, screens ablaze with cryptic numbers and graphs that might as well be ancient hieroglyphs. It paints investing as an exclusive fortress, guarded by gatekeepers who demand insider knowledge or vast wealth just to peek inside. For generations, this was reality. 30 years ago, buying stocks meant dialing a broker on a clunky phone, forking over hefty commissions often exceeding $100 per trade, and waiting days or weeks for confirmation. The system was engineered to intimidate, to make ordinary people feel unqualified to touch their own money. Brokers held the keys, and they profited from your exclusion. But the landscape has transformed dramatically. In 2025, that once impenetrable door stands ajar, thanks to technology and deregulation. The world's most potent wealth tools reside in your smartphone, accessible with a few taps. Zero commission trades, fractional shares, and automated investing are now standard. Yet, with openness comes chaos. Thousands of apps, websites, and fintech startups vie for your dollars, bombarding you with ads and notifications. Some empower true growth. Others lure you into speculative traps disguised as opportunities. Pick poorly, and you face hidden fees eroding your gains, subpar trade execution costing you in volatile markets, or tax pitfalls amplifying your liabilities. Welcome to Financial Stud, where smart money moves meet unstoppable success. Get ready to master your finances and unlock your true earning potential. Today, we dismantle the confusion. They'll guide you through safe passages, spotlighting pitfalls to dodge. By video's end, you'll possess the blueprint to claim your financial autonomy, stepping confidently into ownership. No more sidelining your future. It's time to unlock the door. Part 2. The bucket and the water. Grasp this core distinction before platform hunting. Account versus investment. 90% of beginners conflate them, stalling their progress. Visualize a sturdy bucket that's your brokerage account, a container for your assets. Buckets vary. Standard taxable for flexibility, Roth IRA for tax-free growth if income qualifies under 2025 limits up to $160,000 for singles, traditional IRA for pre-tax contributions, or 401k rollovers for workplace savings. Next, water your cash inflows. Pour it in via bank transfers. Many halt here, mistaking the bucket for the goal. But stagnant water evaporates. Similarly, idle cash succumbs to inflation, projected at 2.5% in 2025 per Federal Reserve estimates, silently shrinking purchasing power. True growth demands planting seeds the index funds or ETFs from video 2. Buy them within the bucket, and your water nurtures a thriving garden. Skip this, and you're merely hoarding, not multiplying. This embodies the financial stud ethos. Knowledge without execution is futile. On Financial Stud, we transcend theory, forging actionable paths. Plan unlived remains a fantasy. We're cultivating a tribe of doers seizing control. If you're weary of passive financial drift, subscribe immediately. Our pace accelerates. Linger, and opportunities vanish. Part 3. Choosing your battlefield. Platforms abound, but equality eludes them. Legacy powerhouses Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab dominate with trillions managed, offering robust security, educational resources, and seamless integrations. Fidelity boasts advanced charting and zero-expense ratio funds. Vanguard pioneered low-cost indexing with fees as low as 0.03%. Schwab excels in customer service, absorbing TD Ameritrade for enhanced think or swim tools. Contrast with fintech upstarts Robinhood, Webull, Acorns. Sleek interfaces, no minimums, and crypto access appeal to millennials and Gen Z. Yet, beware gamification. Push notifications for hot stocks, leaderboards, and reward badges mimic casino tactics, encouraging frequent trades. Data reveals active traders underperform. A 2025 Fidelity study shows buy and hold beats frequent activity by 4% annually. For financial studs, prioritize dull reliability over flash. Seek zero commission standard since 2019, low expense ratios, and no payment for order flow controversies plaguing some apps. Legacy firms shine here, avoiding temptations that inflate your costs. If starting small, Acorns Micro Investing rounds up purchases, but for serious building, stick to Titans. Evaluate based on your needs. Retirement Focus Vanguard. Active Research Fidelity. Part 4, the step-by-step walkthrough. Dive into mechanics. They'll simulate screen sharing, cueing visuals for clarity. First, select a platform, say Vanguard for simplicity. Navigate to their site or app. Click Open Account. They'll request basics: full name, address, date of birth, social security number or tax ID for IRS compliance, employment details. Link your bank via routing and account numbers for funding. Many fret over data security, but these regulated entities employ bank-level encryption, two-factor authentication, and SIPC insurance up to $500,000 per account against firm failure, not market losses. During setup, specify account type: individual taxable for general investing, IRA for retirement. Answer risk tolerance questions honestly. They tailor suggestions but don't dictate. Crucial alert: opt for cash account over margin. Margin borrows from the broker, amplifying gains but magnifying losses potentially beyond your deposit, leading to margin calls and forced sales. In 2025's volatile markets with AI-driven swings, margin wrecked countless during the 2022 crypto crash. Financial studs build with owned capital, shunning debt-fueled gambles. Application review takes minutes to days, instant for basic accounts. Upon approval, you're in. Part 5, funding the engine. Account live? Fuel it. Hesitation peaks here. Do I need thousands? Wait for market dips? Nonsense. Start modest $10 buys fractional shares. Habit trumps amount. Consistency leverages dollar cost averaging, mitigating timing risks. Link your bank securely via Plaid. Standard in 2025 for instant verification. Transfer funds. ACH free. Takes 1 to 3 days. Wires faster but fee-prone. First deposit? Symbolic. Celebrate, then act. Search for your index fund, ticker VOO for S&P 500. Review details, expense ratio, holdings. Enter amount, confirm buy. You're now an owner, not spectator. Real story. A viewer messaged post video 2. Started with $100 in VTI. 6 months later, up 12%, habit solidified. Taxes? Taxable accounts report gains. IRAs defer or eliminate them. Automate recurring deposits, monthly investments build exponentially. Part 6. The road ahead. Account funded, investments planted, victory achieved. Yet safeguard against the true adversary, yourself. Emotions trigger cells during dips, missing rebounds. The 2020 crash saw S&P drop 34%, then surge 100% by 2023. Holders won. Panickers lost. Next video unveils compound interest's alchemy. How modest sums balloon. Well, crunch numbers: a $200 monthly investment at 7% yields over $500,000 in 40 years. You hold the keys. Now witness the multiplication. Gate unlocked. Engine primed. No more delays. Execute immediately. 1. Subscribe to Financial Stud and hit the bell icon for Video 4's compound interest breakdown. 2. Comment. Account opened? Share your first fund. It'll engage with each. 3. Grab our free account setup checklist link below. Templates, comparisons. 4. Forward to a hesitant friend, ignite their journey. Action defines destiny. Open that account today. See you in Video 4. Let's multiply. I hope this meant a lot to you and gives exactly what you were looking for. Stay curious. Thanks for watching.